They say the luck is when opportunity meets preparation. Preparation is when you do the hard work, and opportunity is when you show up. When I was younger, I used to think that I was the unluckiest person ever. Like every little bad thing that could happen, it happened to me. But then something changed along the lines, and I turned into the luckiest person that you might know. I got my very first job at 18 years old as a real estate agent with no experience at all, just out of pure luck. I have dated the crush that I had for months and months just because of pure coincidence and pure luck. And I also landed high-paying developer jobs whilst I was not even qualified to apply for internships whilst in university. And that was just because of pure luck. So in this video, I want to share with you how I became so incredibly lucky that it feels illegal. But before we get started, we want to get something very clear. The reason why you're watching this video right now, it might be because you consider yourself as someone who is unlucky. And you are right. There's this thing in psychology called the confirmation bias. Now, what does this mean? Well, it basically means that if I tell you to think about a red car, the next time you go down to the street, you're going to start seeing red cars everywhere. Your mind, if it starts thinking about something, if it starts ruminating, it will start actually seeing signs everywhere around the world to confirm that fact that you have been thinking about. So if you think that you are someone who is not lucky, your mind will look for the facts, will look for the statements that will back up the fact that you are not lucky. And the same happens on the opposite side as well. If you start thinking that you're someone who is lucky, it will start to find every little evidence that it has around the world to confirm the fact that you are someone who is lucky. So we might be able to say that within the law of attraction, whatever, if you start thinking about something, you attract that into your life because your mind will find the evidence to back up that statement. So that's the reason why you need to change your self-image. You need to start seeing yourself as someone who is incredibly lucky. And that is the way your mind is going to start looking for opportunities for you to take advantage of them. And that was exactly how I got my very first job as a real estate agent with no experience at all. That was exactly how I started my very first business reselling premium sneakers online. But none of those things lasted really long because that is only one part of the equation. They say that luck is when opportunity meets preparation. Preparation is when you do the hard work, and opportunity is when you show up. When you start envisioning yourself as someone who is lucky, that is only one part of the equation. You need to be prepared and you need to show up to those places in which that opportunity that you want to get into your life is able to happen. Oh, Ivan, that is so obvious. Like, can't you say something new? This sounds so fucking obvious, but then at the same time, tons of guys don't even listen to this advice. They go, oh, I want to meet more people. What do? They go class, they don't speak to anyone, go home. Go class, go home. Go class, go gym, go home. And that's it. And they don't speak to anyone and they wonder why they don't have friends. They wonder why they don't meet any women. They wonder why nobody wants to speak to them. Like, isn't this obvious? Sometimes life is just simple mathematics. If you do A plus B, it equals C. Sometimes life is really that simple. So if you are manifesting, you want to become someone who is lucky and you see yourself as someone who is lucky, you need to be prepared for that occasion. That was one of the biggest reasons why I fucked up my very first business, because I was not prepared. The opportunity was there. It was 2020. Everybody had money to spend because they were stuck in their houses. And they just wanted to buy things. And I was a shitty entrepreneur who made a little bit of money, but then I was not smart enough or prepared enough in order to scale that business bigger and bigger. And that's the importance of being prepared for when the occasion arrives. When preparation meets opportunity, that is when luck happens. There was this one day that I got incredibly lucky because I knew how to be prepared for when the occasion arrived. So there was this one girl in my university that I really liked. I had spoken to her a couple of times before, but we were never really close. And it was really uncomfortable for me to say, okay, do you want to go on a date with me? Even though if you don't know me, whatever. And it was just not that kind of vibe because that girl was like, okay, I don't want to know anything about guys. I'm just centered on my studies. Nobody bother me. So there was this one day in which I went to the library with a couple of my friends. And before going out of the house, I just said, okay, what if that girl goes to the university? Okay, wouldn't it be super romantic if I brought my umbrella and it started raining all of a sudden and she was under my arm and we were walking to home and whatever. It was very unrealistic for it to happen, but what if it does? So there was this one trick that my grandma taught me how to do, and it was to look at the skies and determine if it was going to rain or not. So I just pulled out my phone and I just said, okay, it's not going to rain. But just to make sure, I'm going to step outside and I'm going to look at the clouds. Using my grandma's technique, I determined that it was 100% going to rain, even though the iPhone was saying 0% or precipitation. And I was like, okay, I'm going to bring my umbrella because no one is going to bring their umbrella. I am not going to be stuck in the rain because my grandma taught me how to look at the clouds. So I entered university and I said, okay, what are the chances that this girl is going to be in the library? Because I had seen her a couple of times before, whatever. And as I enter the library of the university, I look at my left, and there she was. Incredibly lucky because I went into the place that I knew that she was going to be into. And I knew a couple of the guys that were in her table, so I just went up to them, I just spoke to them, had a couple of laughs, and I said, okay, now I gotta leave because all my friends are waiting for me, whatever. We go to our session, we study for a little bit, and we go outside. And then from the far, I see that she is walking outside as well, and it starts pouring rain like it's raining cats and dogs. And I see that she doesn't have an umbrella, and I tell her, guys, this is my moment. Leave me alone. I'm gonna go up to that girl. We have spoken a couple of times before. She knew who I was, whatever. And I said, hey, you're going to get wet. Like it's raining a lot, and you have no umbrella. Do you want me to walk you home? I go in the same direction as you. I was not going in the same direction, but I was just taking my chances. I was just walking this girl home. It's just like, oh, you're such a gentleman for doing this. Like, thank you so much. And we go down on the rain. We just go down to the street. I walk her home. We're having such a good time. We're talking about deep stuff. I see that she's an incredible woman, whatever. And we did not end up dating, but we ended up going on a couple of dates. And it was all because I got so incredibly lucky because I was prepared for that occasion. The occasion presented itself, and I was prepared for that. Just imagine myself not having an umbrella. I wouldn't be able to do anything. I would just be able to say, hey, hi, how are you, whatever. And that was it. I was prepared for that occasion. I saw the opportunity that might happen, and I just took my chances and I prepared myself for that occasion. And that is how you become incredibly lucky, by being prepared for the occasion that might happen. You need to just solve these two parts of the equation. You need to put in the hard work, and you need to show up. And that's the reason why I always say that luck is when opportunity meets preparation. Preparation is when you do the hard work, and opportunity is when you show up. As always, thank you so much for watching until the end. And just stay patient because your prophecy is unfolding. I'll see you on the next one. I love you. Mwah.